डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो होमोलॉगस सीरीज़ है। क्योंकि हमने पहले ही ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स के बारे में पढ़ा है। ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स वो कंपाउंड्स होते हैं जिनमें कार्बन होता है। जब हम ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स को एक ग्रुप में अरेंज करते हैं और जिनका सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर होता है और जिनकी सिमिलर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती है, उसको हम होमोलॉगस सीरीज़ कहते हैं। किसको कहते हैं होमोलॉगस सीरीज़? वो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स which are in a group and have similar structure and similar chemical properties are called as homologous series. And the members of homologous series, they differ. Successive two members of homologous series, they differ by CH2. What does that mean? For example, if we take the example of homologous series of alkanes, we have already read about them. They have general formula CnH2n plus 2. If we take the first member of alkane series, that is methane. Methane, according to general formula, its molecular formula will be CH4. Second, ethane, its molecular formula C2H6. Propane C3H8 and butane C4H10. If we give the structure of methane, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms, they are connected to the carbon atom through a single bond. In case of ethane, it has 2 carbon atoms and it is also connected by different hydrogen atoms through single bond. Therefore, this is the homologous series in which the groups or the members, they have similar structures and they have similar properties, similar chemical properties. Chemical properties, that means if we react any group of this, any member of this series with alkane, with chlorine, it will form substitution reactions. That is the chemical property. That means homologous series is a group of compounds which have similar structure and similar chemical properties. The homologous series of alkanes, they have similar structure and are connected by single bonds and show chemical properties and show similar chemical properties, and they are represented by the same general formula CnH2n plus 2. Now, characteristics of homologous series. If we take the characteristics of this series, that is alkane series, we will see that all the members of homologous series can be represented by the same general formula CnH2n plus 2. If we take another series, that is alkenes, they have the same general formula CnH2n. Another series, that is alkyne, that is CnH2n minus 2. That means these are different series, homologous series. The first series alkene and alkyne, these have different general formulas. Alkane has general formula CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, and alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Now, if we take the example of this alkane series, the two adjacent homologous series differ by 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. For example, methane, the general formula of methane is CH4, molecular formula of methane is CH4, and ethane is C2H6. And the difference in these two groups, that is methane and ethane, there is difference of CH2, 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. 6 minus 4, that means 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 minus 1, 1 carbon atom. That means two adjacent homologies, they differ by CH2. Number third characteristics is the difference in the molecular mass of any two adjacent homologies is 14 units. If we take the molecular mass of methane, its molecular mass is 16 units, and the molecular mass of ethane C2H4, it is 30 units. If we differ this 30 minus 16, it will be 14 units. That means two members of the homologous series, they differ by 14 units in their molecular masses. Number Fourth characteristics of homologous series is that all the compounds of homologous series show similar chemical properties.